Welcome family, welcome. Today I'm gonna prepare a 5-minute meal. Have you ever come home feeling exhausted, tired and hungry and don't want to prepare the traditional meal? Well, there's always something non-perishable tucked away somewhere in the cupboard, so let's find it. Tin mackerel to the rescue. This should be a quick toss in the pan. Actually, wrong bang. Jamaican girls have to bring flavor to the thing. See those herbs and vegetables? We're gonna chop, mince, and saute. Now, this is how you prepare a non-perishable like tin mackerel. Add a little ketchup, a little salt, and step up the taste. Cook it down and serve it with some white rice. Remember to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the girl channel. Anyway, that never good. Let me do it back over.